Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, and we've got ourselves a 2023 Roadtrek PLAY SRT. Beautiful B van from our friends at Roadtrek. We're going to give you a little flyby, show you some of the highlights and features and things we like about it. Love to see you come in and take a look at this in person. Really has to be seen to be appreciated. Absolutely wonderful example of B van motorhome. Great layout on the inside, all kinds of great amenities, good build quality. The Play version of it is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis, which makes for nice and simple maintenance, but you're not compromising anything in terms of performance. The outside color is a dark gray. I believe they call it granite officially. We'll head inside. You can see the nice waterproof floor, nice big step out here with the chrome trim on it. Makes for a nice and easy access to get in. Up front, you've got some beautiful convenience features in the cab. Of course, the chairs will turn around. You can set yourself up here with your table, and your Lagoon table will articulate in such a way that you can use it for a desk or a table between the two chairs. Nice big touchscreen there for the backup camera and for the entertainment system. You've got some driving features too that will be helpful in this unit. Come on in and see us. We'll talk to you about some of that stuff. Total height of the vehicle is 9'5". Just in case you're wondering, you've got a Ram charger here, so you can just set your phone right in there and it will charge automatically, which is also a nice touch. The Ram ProMaster is, of course, nice and easy to maintain, nice and easy to drive, and the size of this unit at just 20 feet is nice and easy and comfortable on the road. So we'll take a spin around now. I'll grab a seat in this nice comfortable chair and we'll take a look at the rest of the coach. Your kitchen area is here. You've got a nice high-rise faucet. You've got a 2-burner propane cooktop there. You can see here you've got a couple of plugs in this area that you're able to utilize, as well as a USB port. Flip up table if you're looking for a little bit more prep space. You can flip out that in there and you've got a little more room to get things done when you're getting things ready in the kitchen. Let's take a look at that 2-burner. We'll lift that up. Nice and convenient and easy to cook, and you've got a stainless steel inlay in behind it so that you don't damage your trim inside the unit. Microwave above. The cover, once the doors open, you can undo these straps and that'll come down. You've got basically a bug screen that will zip, so you can use it as a way to have that open air feel without having the bugs flying around on you. So you can see you can sit back here and you have a nice opening, bright, airy, and you can close that down so you can keep all the bugs at bay. Your control panel, nice and simple on the Play. You've got the power awning that slides in and out. We've got it out partially now. Your basics of your patio light, your water pump, your battery disconnect, and your inverter is all right here. Of course, this unit does come equipped with the solar panel. We'll show you the solar charge controller when we get towards the back of the coach. Wouldn't be going too far here without taking a look at the bathroom. That's usually what people are most curious about. Good sized bathroom in this one. We'll pop this open. You can see in the all-in-one configuration, you've got the toilet, corner sink, shower. You can do everything in one spot, nice and convenient. And everything in there is nice and waterproof. So basically you've got a water closet. You've got a mirror there as well. So you can do everything you need to do inside the unit. But of course, with the size of it, you can park just about anywhere and go anywhere as well. Nice and easy to drive around, and you've got the convenience of a bathroom should you need it. Good storage underneath. My favorite feature in the Roadtrek, of course, the pantry. Slide that out, you got all kinds of room for cans, boxes of cereal, that sort of thing when you're on the road. Good storage here underneath as well. Room for just about everything, your pots and pans. Maybe you could even use that for clothes, that sort of thing if you needed it, but there is some storage options for that at the back. We still got the protective covering on the fridge, but you can see good spacing here in the fridge as well. And you've got the freezer over top, so good spacing in there as well. Roadtrek has the nice lights at the top. You've got the fantastic fan in the ceiling. Keep everything nice and fresh as we head towards the back. There's a little bit of storage in here from the items that comes with the Roadtrek, but you do see here you've got a bar here to hang a few things. This is effectively your wardrobe. You've got a couple extra cushions stored in there, and of course some higher end front mats for when you take possession of the vehicle. We'll put those in so that you can protect your floor in the front in the driving area. Stepping back, we've got this one right now configured in the social space, so you've got the living area back here set up with the table. These two cushions will come across, and there's a little bar here, that'll come across and connect to make a bed. The bed will come down with a power feature. There's a switch right here. Your bed will slide down and open up into a full queen bed in this area. You just have to remove the table and put that away, and you're all set for sleeping. Here at the back of the unit, you've got television, Nice comfortable spot to sit. You can see you've got the blinds here, so you have a little bit of a view. You've got that roll down screen here at the back as well, so you can have the unit open as you see I have it now, and have this closed and zippered so that the bugs can't get in, but you can still again have that fresh air feel to the coach. Sliding around here, we'll take a look from the back. Here's an example of just Roadtrek being thoughtful in their process, is that you've got two different types of blinds here in the porthole style window. So you've got your nightshade, and then if you want to keep a little privacy in the daytime but still be able to see outside, you've got that, and then you can separate the two as well, and then you can just open up the window entirely. So again, very thoughtful, well built and well designed by Roadtrek. One of the famous features about these is the catch locks. So you're in travel mode right there, you snap that in, it won't pop open on you, you snap that out and you've got a little handle to pull that open. Love that feature. Your air conditioner's back here. Again, in this nice 20-foot coach, you've got all kinds of space. Spot to sit back here in the lounge area. You got the kitchen up front, and as you can see, again, only 20 feet of space, but you've managed to get quite a comfortable living space within that footprint. Mentioned I'd show you where the solar charge controller is. Of course, the solar panel itself is on the roof, but there's your solar charge controller right in there, so you're able to get some power into the unit from the sky. And you also have an underhood generator in this unit, which will help keep everything powered and ready to go if you're not able to plug in, if you want to get away for a while from the rat race and not have to worry about power. You can of course do that as well. So lots of features on the Play SRT. We'd love to bring you in and have you take a look for yourself. We're very excited to have this unit. We'll be the exclusive distributor of Roadtrek in the area. Come on in and see us, folks. We've got this beautiful unit here in the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Crispam Sis. Our friends up in the Moncton location have a Zion as well, so we have some B-van options for you. We'd love to show off. If you're in the market, it's almost that time, getting ready for snowbird season. We're getting closer and closer. Summer feels like it's winding down, even though part of it feels like it never got here. We'd love to find the right unit for you, whether it be one of these beautiful B-vans, a large motorhome, or a travel trailer. We've got everything you could possibly need and more, and a great selection of pre-owned units as well. Have a great day, folks.